Hello, all of you. Are you increasing your knowledge or not? Which is your field? It doesn't matter. So, without wasting time, let's come to the point. Today, I am discuss about English. What is the English? And how can we better learn in English? Just in this video through, I will give you 4 tips, only 4 tips, and in these 4 tips through we can speak in English very well. So let's we start. The first number is practicing. So you have to practice more than more without any frustration. We have to use the practicing. What is this meaning of practicing means day by day you can use whatever is your choice. Suppose that I am choose to English, so we have to practice day by day in English. So first is practice, and second is listening. What is this meaning of listening means which something is listen, you and me, anyone, that is called listening. So first is practicing and second is listening, because if you are listening more then automatically the ear through set in your mind. So listening is most be important. And the third number is your reading. If you day by day reading, then automatically your mouth opened, and then after you can speak in English very well. So reading is man introduced to you, so you have to practicing, okay, listening, and third is reading, because reading through we can better be pronunciation. So reading is important, okay. And third is word meaning. If you don't know any word meaning, then how can you translation in your mind? So it is must be important. So it is very useful. So these 4 tips through we and I, anyone can speak in English very well. First is practicing, reading, listening, and word meaning. Because these tips through we can't be success to better speak in English. So my simple suggestion, you should to follow these 4 tips. I am also belongs to the villages peoples. You know what is the meaning of village peoples? That means when I started in study, I am also in government school. There is the no any English, only one subject to English, but other subject is writing, all is Hindi. Then after I trying slowly and day by day learning the word meaning, then after automatic setting the mind. What is the mind? Mind, that means which is using daily, that is called mind. One best idiom, success is the sum of small effort. Success is the sum of small effort repeated in day and day out. Success is the sum of small effort repeated day in and day out. That means you have to practice more than day and daily. If you decided I can speak in very well, that means you have to do practice. Otherwise you can't be success in your field. So today is world is going on only English world, because suppose that India is our country, we living us, but there is going Hindi, English, anything language going, it is on his field. But if you know in English, then you can go abroad. What is the meaning of abroad? Abroad, that means overseas. You can go. Suppose that America, Japan, there is the no going on Hindi. If you can, any persons, if you go on to the America, suppose that, and if you here you using the Hindi, then no one can understand your language, because I think if you having the Indian people in America, then I think you talked, otherwise it can't be possible. So international language is English. I have written in book that the 212 country in this world, and in this 212 word only is one language is common, that is the English. So you decided what to do. If you are a student and if you trying to do English, then you have to be practice. Without practicing you can't be success. If you believe in yourself, idiom, you can say idiom, you quote. What is the meaning of quote? Quote means which is good thought, positive word. I will telling you one positive word. If you believe in yourself, then everything is possible. If you believe in yourself, then everything is possible. All you need to change is will. All you need to change is will. So my simple, I will not give you suggestion. You just think in yourself. If you want to try to speak in English very well. When I started this time, I know any word, and I think this time I can't be succeed in English. But day after day going, and I am reading, listening, practicing, and you can see also what meaning. I completed these 4 tips, and then you can see I am talking in English front of you. It is very important to learn any language. I also know in Santali very well. Santali, it is Jharkhand, famous language. Santali, Hindi, Bengali, Khota, I something know also Bhojpuri. Bhojpuri, I am not talking to Pani Puri, Bhojpuri. Bhojpuri, you have, and one more thing. If you are trying to speak in English, then you should have to watch the English movie. English movie, that means you search in your YouTube or internet Indian English movie, and day by day, daily 2 hours. 2 hours it is your choice. 1 hour it is must be important. 1 hour you give the time to watch the Indian English movie. And because this Indian English movie through we can prove our English very well. I also proved in myself when I tried the first time, but now I am talking very well English, so it doesn't need to me. But I will share you that it is very important. Okay, so my simple suggestion you, if you trying and not be success, then what I say, do not give up. Do not give up, because the beginning is always the hardest. You have I am again repeated to you, do not give up. That means कभी हाथ मत मानो. The beginning is always the hardest. मतलब जो शुरू वाला होता है ना, वो हमेशा हार्ड ही होता है. When you complete the first lesson, then automatically come into the second lesson, then after third lesson, then after fourth lesson, then after fifth lesson. I think then after you not to need any lesson. So what I telling to you, I think going on your mind, because I belongs to village people. Village people means village people. So if you can speak in very better English, that means he done the hard work. Not to less than, I think more than. I also done the hard work more than. Then after I am talking in English. So it is very easy. One day I am thinking that the English is very hard, but when I follow listening, reading, word meaning, and practicing, then after I realized the English is very easy. So I think you have to feel the English is very easy. Then after you can see speak in English very well. Okay, because it is language, and the language need to practice. Language need to practice. Suppose that this is the book. This is the book. This is the book. Jharkhand. Jharkhand GK. When I started the first time, that is very hard. When I complete this is, then it's very easy. Any question I can solve at this time, but when I start the first time, this time is not maintained. So I will share you my best book. This book through I can learn the English. Okay, I will show you my English book. Where is my English book? Okay, here you have seen a lot of books in my rooms, and one of the best my English book. I will share you 5 books. Okay, if you available in my rooms, where is I put, I don't know. If you have, then I will share you. Okay, and if you not available in the bookshops, then you buy from the net. You can see Amazon or internet. And just today I am share you 2 books. I will also show in the photo, which is very important. You have see the idioms and phrase. Okay, and his writer is Roshan Tolani, one of the best books in English. You have to see idioms and phrase and Anglo Hindi. That means also available meaning in Hindi. If you have doubt to read in English, then you can see also in Hindi. See here, suppose that कुलवांस हिल्स, that means प्रतीक्षा करना या राह देखना. So this is very important and available a lot of idiom and phrases. What is the meaning of idiom and phrases? Which is you have to learn. That is called idiom and phrases. And synonyms and antonyms. This is also book of Roshan Tolani. Okay, this is also book of Roshan Tolani and one of the best. And this book through you can learn a lot of word meaning. Suppose that fabricate. What is the meaning of fabricate? That means झूठ बोलना. So you can see both edition are written in this book, Hindi or English. If you have doubt, then read in English. If you have doubt, in read in Hindi. Both you have to practice. That means first when I start this time, I bought this book, and this book through I feeling very well, and I think this book is very helpful to me. So you have seen 2 books, idiom and phrases. So this idiom and phrases through I learned a lot of word meaning. What is the meaning of word meaning? I before told you. So you have if you have not book in idiom and phrases, then buy on Amazon, Flipkart. I buy this book the Amazon, and this is the Flipkart, synonyms and idioms. I think as I know in this book, 50,000. What is the meaning of 50,000? 50,000 above word meaning available in this book. So if you need, then you buy, and then after you will practice. In these 2 books through we can learn. I have in this English material 5 books, but where I put in when I complete